Imagine a world where you own your data, where every click, every like, and every share is yours to control. It's wild, right? The concept of data ownership is rapidly gaining traction, and it's about time. With the rise of various platforms collecting our information, the conversation around privacy is crucial. Protocols, like the ones emerging in blockchain technology, are starting to give power back to the individual. This isn't just a trend, it's a necessary shift. As we navigate through an era of constant surveillance and data commodification, we need to ask ourselves, how much of our digital lives are we willing to give away? Imagine being able to revoke access to your data at will, or even monetizing it on your own terms. This isn't just about privacy, it's about autonomy. The tools being developed today could redefine the relationship we have with our digital self. It's exciting and terrifying all at once. This could be the beginning of a revolution in how we think about our online presence. Control your digital narrative because no one else should write it for you. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI